electric. Take a sip and I'm dancing. She bout play like a pan B. She lit like a candle. Booted up in the car seat. Hold a nigga for ransom. Want her back, better call me. It's whatever, I'm geek. Buying a punch at the party.
Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, as you read by the title, we're going to be putting on my brand new mirrors that I just got, that just came in the mail yesterday. I opened them up, looked at them, and I decided to do a video on putting them on. So, as you come right here, this is why I'm replacing mirrors. This one looks fine, as you can see. Now, if we come over here, this one's not so fine, as you can see. It's broke off, and I just wanted chrome. I wanted chrome top mirrors, so that's what I got. Because I didn't just want to put a cover on it because that's cheap. Because then also on these new mirrors, I'm going to get the actual paint, the Oxford white, which is this color, and paint match this myself. So let me show you inside of here what they look like. Oh, here we go. Got to make sure I don't drop these. But yeah, here are the brand new mirrors. They also have tone ones, as you can see. And then there's a chrome top, and they got sequential lights on the front and the back. So let's open them up and put them on the hood, and I'll show you guys what they look like. Okay, so here's a better look at them. So tow mirrors right there. Then you got the sequential lights where they like doo doo doo. That's why I got them. Really, they were $160 on Amazon. I might put a photo of them. I don't really know yet. Just if there is a photo, there will be a link to them. So yeah, if you guys want to buy them, I got them off Amazon because I don't know, whatever. They look good. I don't care. And I could just replace these with different lights if I want to. Like I could put LEDs and different things or whatever, program it or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, so let's get the wrap off. I'm going to set them down this chair so they don't get dirty. But let me know if I can polish these because I don't know if this is the paint or if it's actual metal. So I don't know yet. So let's take the wrap off of it. So now they're finally out of the wrapping, and oh my God, that is so clean. When I put these on, I'm going to wipe them down with soap and everything, but that looks so good, dude. But my fuse is, I don't know what's wrong with I don't know if it was just the mirrors itself, because all the wiring's messed up because it's got rain on and everything. So hopefully that these powered mirrors actually work and they're adjustable, because if we come right here, these ones don't move at all. So I don't know what's wrong with them, but I guess I'll figure it out at a later time. So now we got to take this door panel off. So yeah, so we can get to that mirror, the driver mirror. Because you thought you could just take it off real easily. No, you got to take this whole door panel off to even get to it. So let's do it. All right, so this next clip, I guess you could say, is going to be a hyperlapse of me just taking the whole panel out. If you want to go see how to take your door panel off of your 2011, 2014 F150, make sure you go check out that video. It'll be linked in the description. But yeah, so let's get to it. So right behind me is my door panel taken off. Well, actually, no, my door panel's down here. So yeah, it's down there. Here's what it looks like. That's what it looks like, door panel. This is the back of it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So nothing cool, really. I don't even know what the frick that is. It'd be cool to know. I found a nut back there that I don't know where it came from, but that's cool. These are all going to get painted like I showed you when I was painting my dash. Oh my god, it looks so good. Like that door right there, that's the only door that's been painted so far, and you could definitely tell a freaking difference, especially on my camera that's trash. But yeah, so now these are all for this. Yeah, it's pretty fairly easy to take it off. Speakers are playing fine, as you can see. We're listening to Blackened by Metallica, best song ever. But now it's time to take the mirror off. So how we take this off is we come in here. We got, these are loose as can be. I don't even know how big of a bolt that is. I'm gonna be honest. I'm guessing, let's guess 10 millimeters. Oh, would you look at that? It's a 10 millimeter. Actually, it's pretty loose, so I'm gonna say it's probably, I don't know, whatever is in not metric American, that's not under 10. But yeah, so let's get this freaking mirror off. So I've never taken off a mirror before, so I guess this goes to my mirror. Hopefully I'm not just unplugging something random. Okay, well, I mean, it looks like it would go toward my mirror, so hopefully we can take it out now. Hopefully. Let's pray. Will it come out? Oh, that was easy. Oh, it's full of water. Do you not see that? That's full of water. Yeah. Even where the heating thing is, it's full of water. Everything's full of water. But I'm going to keep one of these mirrors, so when I get the paint match can, I'm going to... So, my plan... Frick, hold on. So my plan with these mirrors, right, is I'm going to keep one, and what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to get my spray rattle can from, it's like a paint factory, I don't know what it's called, a screenshot will be on the screen somewhere, but it's Oxford white, which is my color of my truck, and what I'm going to do is paint match this, see what it looks like on the truck, because I don't know if I want to paint my mirrors. My mom said it'll look iffy. I think it's going to look good, but I guess we'll find out when I do it. But that's going to be probably a month, maybe. The rattle can itself is only $86. So, but actually, it's a pack. It's $86. It's 2 cans. It's sanding stuff and everything else. I've never done like painting like that before. Obviously, I'm not that very good of a painter, as you could tell by I only use spray cans, spray black primer, and then black stuff over it. That's what I normally do on most of my stuff. Well, besides the interior. Interior was different, but that's besides the point. I actually tried on the interior. But yeah, so now it's time to put the other mirror on, and let's see what it looks like. Enough of me yapping. So I didn't know if you guys were paying attention, but I was struggling with this part right here. And okay, so now it's going to struggle again, even though I just had it plugged in. And this is for the mirrors. Everything for the mirrors, actually. It's for like everything to go into. Hopefully it's plugged in all the way. I'll make sure it's plugged in here in a second. But now it's time to put this door panel back on, and then onto the next side. So I think I'm just going to skip the part where taking off that door panel. So let's get into it. All right, so now that the door panel's back on, here's what they look like on one side. God dang, that looks so much better. That I can't even say, like, that looks so much better. Like, I could see my reflection, like I can see my reflection. It's so clean. Got this. That's not supposed to do that. Maybe, I don't know. Don't matter. I want to see if they work though. So let's get this thing. Actually, no, we'll do that at the end. So now on to the next side. Really, all I'm using is these 5 things. Yeah, 5 things. So that's all we're using. So let's get to the other side, taking off that door panel. Alright, so now we got the door panel off on this side. Now this, I figured out where the mystery bolt or the nut came from. It came from right here off this mirror. Don't know what it's doing here. Couldn't tell you. But now it's time to take this mirror off. And yeah, so we can put the other one on. Go back in there. There we go. So yeah, let's take this mirror off. Get this thing over with. I'm ready to see what they look like. I have it. I got this all done. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm going to have to look into that more. I think it's just the seal that's messed up on the back or something. Or something's like coming out a little bit. I don't know. I'm working on a little bit. There you go. There you have it. That's done. Now it's time to put the door thingy, this thing back on. Door panel back on and see what they both look like out in the sun. So let's do it. Alright, so I got the mirror fixed. It's more level now. It's because the seal was bent a little bit. I just gotta fix this later time. It's just this seal is way far too in. But there we go. It's fixed. Fixed it. But now it's time to put door panel back up, and then we are done. It's time to see the turn signal and everything else. So let's get in. Alright, so there you have it. This is done. It's in. It's ready to go. This one's not loose for some reason. Oh, it's because I fixed both of them. Yeah, there's just a loose screw in it. Probably because of shipping, vibrations, you know, all the things. But there you have it. My brand new mirrors on my F150. They look so freaking tough. Oh my god, they're going to look so good. Now, I'm going to take a couple photos, put a photo in right here, and show you what it looks like, better image quality, because my phone's trash. But yeah, so let me pull it in and show you guys the head or the LEDs and stuff. Right, the truck is running. It wouldn't start because I turned it off in reverse. The AC's on right now, so that's why it's so loud. And because my cooled seats are on, because you know it's a limited. So I got cooled seats. But yeah, so let's turn running lights on. What the why are those on, but these aren't? What the heck? Those are supposed to be on. Those are my lights. Like, my lights are on. Why are these not on? Well, hopefully my turn signals work, at least. Oh, there they go, they work. Oh, that's so tough. Yo! Alright, so we got the running lights on in this thing. Dude, I think they look so good with the running lights. Yo! Look how good that looks. Oh yeah. Wait till we get headlights that match up and taillights. It's gonna look so good. New taillights are gonna be coming soon, probably after my birthday, which is in a month. But that will wrap it up for today's video. So yeah. So that will be the end of today's video. Hope you guys really enjoyed that video. I know it was short, but that's what I'm gonna start doing. Just one truck part at a time. I'm gonna be building this. So yeah, I love these lights. I don't know what, it just tickles a part of me. I don't know what to really say, but that's what they look like from the inside. And they got the blind spot mirrors, so that's what I really like about them. But yeah, so headlights are gonna be coming later. Taillights that are coming too. They might be coming from Alpharex. I'm pretty sure. I don't like buying cheap stuff. This is the first truck part I've ever bought off Amazon, besides that bullet antenna. But yeah, that's about it. So hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment something that you want me to do to my truck, or like suggestions that you have, or parts that you've never seen. Like, I don't know, give me some suggestions, stuff that you don't like, some things that you do like. Let me know in the comments. So I'll probably listen to them, DBH. But yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See ya.